How to transfer Pi from Binance to Bybit. So it's not officially listed on Binance yet, but if it listed in the future, I will show you how to transfer it to Bybit. Now I will use the USDT example. Now first of all, I'll tap on assets and now select this spot from the top bar. Now tap on withdraw. Now search for your token. In this case, as I said, I will use the USDT as an example. Now click on your token. Now after that, as you can see, tap on send via crypto network. So after you tap on it, as you can see, you need the address to get it from your Bybit. Now go to Bybit and open it. Now after you open your Bybit, you need to get the address of USDT. Now tap on asset. And as you can see here, tap on deposit. And now tap on deposit crypto. And from the search, you can type USDT. Now after that, tap on your token. And as you can see, select the network. I will select the BIP20. So after that, just tap on confirm. Now tap on copy address. Now go back to Binance. And now first of all, you need to set the network as BIP20 as you set it on the Bybit. Now after that, paste the address that you get from Bybit, and here you can type how much you want to withdraw, and after that you tap on withdraw here and you will withdraw the token to your Bybit. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.